Hi, I'm Jimmy with Able Roof in Columbus, Ohio.
And I'm Chris Smith with Able Roof of Columbus, Ohio.
We're going to talk to you a bit today about siding and why we feel vinyl siding is the best choice for your house.
There's a lot of key benefits to vinyl siding over traditional wood, cement board. There's a lot of options when it comes to designing your home. We find that vinyl siding is the most practical and most cost-effective, maintenance-free option to really beautify your home. So the first bulletin we want to talk to you guys about on vinyl siding is the low maintenance. Low maintenance meaning you don't have to paint, you don't have to scrape, you don't have to seal. All you have to do is occasionally do a rinse on your home.
Also, it's very durable. It holds up in weather, especially our crane board product that's foam back. It doesn't really crack or rot. It just needs clean.
Also, it's a lot cheaper. It can be very expensive when it comes to doing home improvement projects from the inside to the outside of the home. What we find with vinyl siding is the cost effectiveness and the return on your investment is much greater.
Speaking of return on investment, our crane board insulated siding also has an energy efficiency factor to it. Because it is foam backed, it has an insulation value that holds heat in the winter and holds air conditioned air in the summer. Right now, one of the most popular products out there to side your home with is a cement fiber board, but I still prefer the vinyl siding over that because that cement fiber board still needs some maintenance to it. It does have to be painted. It also deteriorates with long exposure to water. Vinyl does not do that. Vinyl retains its color, shape, and structure regardless of the weather.
Did you know vinyl siding is eco-friendly? It's sourced with a lot of recycled materials, so it really is good for the environment. When is it time to replace your siding on your home really comes down to a couple different variables. One, you just don't like the existing color and you want to beautify your home. And the other time is you need some insulation value.
You also might want to replace your existing siding with vinyl because you're tired of the maintenance that comes with wood or the maintenance that comes with stucco. You also might be thinking about new vinyl siding because whatever siding you have on your house currently has been damaged by weather.
There's no project too small or too big. What I can tell you is there's different grades of vinyl siding. They all have different benefits, but if you're just looking from an aesthetic standpoint, just kind of dress the house up, we can put you in a siding that is very practical called Elm Grove. It's well above your builder grade quality. From that point, we can go into a little higher, a little thicker siding that's middle of the road, like a market square.
Offers you a wider range of colors. It's also a thicker than normal vinyl siding. It comes in different styles, traditional lap, Dutch lap, board and batten, shake, so we can mix and match the designs, colors, and styles of siding. And last but not least, we have crane board, which is our elite top of the line siding. All these sidings are provided to us by Exterior Portfolio, a large supplier of vinyl siding in the country. But crane board is foam backed, comes in a couple different styles, but it is the top end of siding that we offer. And it comes with a full lifetime warranty from Able.
Because of all the seasonality we have, we find that like vinyl, it holds up a lot better than your typical cement board. The biggest benefit I think with crane board, it just allows it, it looks like real wood because you can get it in a larger profile because like Jimmy said, it is solid core. So it's foam backed. Where most traditional sidings, you could go up to the siding and press on it and it would push in. Solid core is solid. You can get a lot wider profile and aesthetically, it comes with the best color selection and the best warranties in the industry. Are you interested in vinyl siding? Can Able
Call him.
Call him.
No, call him.
No, call him.
You can call me.
All right, call me. If you're interested in vinyl siding, guys, we'd love an opportunity to come out here, give you a free design, a free consultation. We have been servicing this community since 1981. We've touched so many homeowners. Our goal at Able Roof is ultimately to treat our customers right, give them a fair price, give them a quality product, and a warranty that backs it all up.
Yeah, we're sure that we can come up with a combination of product, price, and warranty that's gonna fit your needs.
Our goal at the end of this is to make you smile.
So if you're interested in vinyl siding, give Jimmy or Chris a call at 444-ROOF.